laptop model. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can check your laptop model number. So if you want to check your laptop model number, you have to follow this step. So this is a simple tutorial here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see your laptop model. Or if you want to check your laptop model number, so you have to watch this video till the end. So first of all, you just have to go to your Windows here and navigate to your search bar. So on your search bar, you have to write this service, you have to write the system information here. Once you are on your system information here, you have to just go and open up your system information. So once you have opened up your system information, so after opening your system information, here you can see your system model. So mine is here, which is 81DE. So you can also see the system name too. You can see my system name too here, which is desktop EO1K5JS. So here we can see the system manufacturer also, and we can see the system type. So you can see that. So my system is x64 based PC and processor. Here you can see that which has the best PC Intel R core. Here you can see that here. So with the help of this video, you will easily check your laptop model and your laptop number. And you can also check the system manufacturer here. So with the help of this video, you will know about how you can check your laptop model. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.